I'm just gonna deliver a little bit tutorials, mini tutorials and review about the exfoliating scrub. Yeah, I'm using the Sephora exfoliating brushes to clean my face whenever I in a rush, or yeah, just to clean like a couple days, like 2 days a week, twice a week, and it just prevents me from having oily skin and prevents me from having pores and dead cells and stuff like that. Yeah, it actually works very well on me because I just purchased this not too long ago, but I love using it for the past couple months. So I just want to do a review and a tutorial how to use this with the L'Oreal Go 360 Clean. Yes, and I'll see you then. Hi there. Yeah, so as you can see, it's kind of dark and yellow here. Yeah, so I already used it. So all you do is just like use this L'Oreal scrubbing just to apply on your face, around on the cheeks and on the chin, and avoid from your eyes, because I have personal experience with this because sometimes my skin is so not into fragrance, so it's kind of allergic. So just be aware that don't apply close to your eyes or anything like that, because it will swell in your eyes or due to puffiness. So it's kind of hard to get it settled down. Like you have to wait about like a week or so to get it like unswollen and stuff like that. So yeah, just be cautious about it or be aware. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm already done scrubbing my face. So it's kind of sticky, so I'm just gonna let it rest for like 3 minutes so I could wash it with lukewarm water. So yeah, so all you do is just scrubbing like this. Or if it doesn't have any foam or bubbling, so just adapt a little bit of cold water, because like you don't want your skin to be so dead, you know. So just scrubbing like this around your forehead and everything. You can apply on the neck too, which is I already did. So I'm just gonna go wash up. Yeah, so purchase this at Sephora. It's very affordable. You won't regret the price. I really love it. So it's like $7 or $7.99. I forgot which is the original price it is, but it's around $7. Yeah, so it's very great to use on the go, or when you just wake up, want to like clean your face and start with a new day like that. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you enjoy this, and I will say that I'll probably get a rank of this brush and this one, maybe nice combination. I would get like 4 stars. Yeah, so just go get it if you haven't got the chance, but if you do, I hope you love to use as much as I do too, and I'll see you in the next tutorial or reviews on my makeup products and beauty products. Bye. Thanks.